everybody, it's WPGN Mom. We're bringing you a special vlog here today to show you how to make fluffy slime. Don't forget to like and subscribe. Hi, this is WPGN Mom.
WPGN Markup, and we're making
fluffy slime. This is a special spring break episode. If you guys didn't know, Marco here is on spring break.
Yep.
So we're bringing you a fluffy slime video. So what you need for this is
water, food coloring, and glue, and what's the other one?
Baking soda.
Baking soda.
You also need shaving cream, saline solution, and this is a if you want to, but it is essential oil, so your slime smells
and
good.
Also a spoon.
You'll need a spoon and a bowl. Okay, so the first thing, and some measuring spoons. You can use those too. So the first thing that you're going to do is you're going to take your glue and pour it all into the bowl. Okay, keep going.
Oh my gosh, it's like flowing up.
Now, should we do one bottle or two? What do you think?
I do three.
I don't know if we'll use all three. That's a lot of fluffy slime. You want to use all three?
Yes.
Okay.
It's throwing up.
There's probably more in there. But here, let's move on to the next bottle. Sticky glue.
Get in there.
Alright, so we use 2 bottles of glue. Now these bottles are the bigger bottle, the 7.625 ounce bottles.
And then 3. And number 3.
But we're going to use 2 because one thing you guys need to keep in mind is this right here is all your glue. But once you stick that shaving cream in there, it's going to get bigger. So you don't want to go too big. You kind of want to measure your bowl, make sure you got everything going here. So now I'm going to add
some water.
Some water, just a little bit of water.
Yep.
Blend it out. We'll do that. And then we're going to add and let's see, I'm going to use a half a tablespoon. Yeah. I'm just going to add the half a tablespoon of baking soda. And then what color? Actually, let's stir this. Now the water that I used, because you want that glue to kind of dissolve a little bit. You want a nice slurpy mixture, I would say. So we're kind of creating a glue slurry. We don't want, you can kind of judge. A little bit more water in here.
And that's it. Why do we still need that?
Here, I'm going to stir for a little bit. Okay, so your next step is to add your shaving cream. Now this is a special step. You want to make sure it's the cream, the foam cream that you're using. You don't want to use the gel.
We have 2. And
you don't want to use, can't think of the other kind. There's another kind. You want to make sure it's the foam kind that you're using.
Are you done?
Yes.
Am I done?
Yes. So actually I think the next step, is to add food coloring.
Food coloring?
Yes.
So I would like this one.
You like that one?
Yes.
Okay. Marco's going to add some food coloring. He picked red first.
Squeeze. Oh, there we go.
Alright. Got a little bit of that.
And then I would do...
That's going to turn it purple. That'll turn it orange. Because red and yellow makes orange. That's probably going to make brown, like.
I would do orange.
Yellow. So red and yellow make orange. So if you want to make orange, you go ahead, put a couple drops of that yellow in there.
Like 2?
fun out of it.
Okay.
Now I think I actually...
2.
Here we go.
Oh my gosh.
Alright, now mix that up. So right now we've got the glue, the water, the baking soda, and the food coloring. And we're going to make sure we get the color that he wants. That's a really pretty color. I really like that color.
I'm making so cool. There's some more.
That's a really pretty color. Alright, it's very Easter color. So I'm going to help him along here. Get this nice and even. Yes, the next step is the shaving cream.
Yeah.
So what? Nope. You want to squeeze this in here?
Okay.
So you're going to squeeze. There we go. So what we've done here is we've added our shaving cream. So now Marco's going to stir this mixture together.
Well, look at it.
It helps when you have a glue mixture and a foam mixture. Hold it, because you really want that shaving cream to kind of keep its airiness. So in order to keep that airiness, you want to fold it
like a pants and shirt.
Like this. Fluffy. Now you see how high this came up on the bowl, and that's what I was talking about. You want to make sure that your bowl, you know, it matches your shaving cream and your glue, and you don't want to be, you know, making a big old mess on your table or wherever you're doing this at, or maybe you do want to make a mess. But
don't make a mess.
So I think we got all this mixed in. Now, what we're going to do next is add this saline solution. Now, this is what I'm going to use. There's also other kinds of contact solution that you can use. Now, the important ingredient in this, and you want to make sure whatever contact solution that you use has, is this ingredient right here. This boric acid is the important ingredient in this solution that you use. You want to make sure that that's what you use.
I don't want to die.
Now I'm going to fill up a tablespoon. I kind of went off the ingredients instruction, so
that's okay.
I might use a little bit more than what it said to use.
Look at that. I can smell it.
What does it smell like?
Poop.
Okay, so as you can see, we still kind of got a slimy thing going on here. So, like I said, I added a little bit more of everything than what the ingredients said. So you just want to keep adding your ingredients.
Oh my gosh.
Little by little, and you can tell that first one wasn't a whole lot of this. You don't want too much of this because it'll get hard. Your slime will get hard. So you want to add little bits at a time until you get the consistency that you want. Now look at that. That's good right there.
I was
so I'm going to keep going here. Oh yeah, look at that. Look at this. I just can't hide it. I'm gonna fluffy slime and I think I like it. Oh, that's good. It didn't even really stick to my finger. So it's gonna stick to your fingers a little bit. We're gonna do that after we knead it a little bit. So your hands are gonna get messy because you really need to knead this stuff in order for it to become its full potential. So I'm going to drop it out onto the counter, what I have. So you can see, and then you just gotta knead it. Hold on, you gotta knead it.
Oh my gosh! My fingers all wet.
You gotta knead it like this, okay?
What are we gonna do with our fingers?
I probably should have took my ring off. Yeah, what we're doing is we are adding air into it. We're building that elasticity that helps it really not stick to your hands, because as you can see, it's still sticking to my hands. Yeah, come over and do that for you. Let me go turn the sink on for Marco. Okay, so our next step, after you see we've got our nice fluffy slime head there, it's still a little bit sticky, as you can see, but that's okay because it'll come off. We're going to add some essential oil. Now this is an optional step. I just happen to have some essential oil. Now this oil, I believe, is it's a citrus smell. It's kind of a relaxing smell. So the way I'm going to introduce it into the slime is I'm going to rub it on my hands like this.
My hands.
You can put some on your hands. Rub it all over your hands. And then we're going to do kind of what we did before. I'm just going to knead the slime. Just mess with it. Flop it around.
Get it out.
Alright everybody, so I did add a little bit more saline solution to this just to keep it from sticking, so it's not really sticking to our hands anymore. You can play with it. It's fluffy, it's bouncy, it's jiggly. You just gotta work with it. So the more product you put in it, the more of this you're going to use. Smell it. What does it smell like?
I got it in my mouth.
It smells amazing, like that essential oil that we used. And
I'm sticking to you.
so guys, here we have it. This is our fluffy slime. Thank you so much for watching this video. If you like this video and you want to see more, comment down below and let us know what you want to see next. Also, don't forget to like this video and subscribe. We also do live streams every Monday through Friday at 7 p.m. Central Standard Time, and we want to see you there.
Bye.
I'll see you
In the next stream.
Bye!